This one was really interesting to me. I think it's pronounced Gelide. I call it Glide. Whatever. So this is the interface, and this one is not an emulator. It's a way to manage your emulators and your ROMs, and I really like it so far. It's not fully baked for me, but let me show you around first. So you have, all your console lists here, mainly the retro ones. They don't have like PlayStation and above, because those ones are like big ass games. These are more like retro, maybe like under 100 megs or something like that. So that's what it's designed for right now. But if you have ROMs and you want to import it, they actually have a folder structure which they already designed or set up for you, so you can use it right here. Okay, this in your .glide folder. It's a hidden folder, and you hit it here, and you have your ROMs folder here, and I already put all my ROMs in there. But that's mainly the structure that they have there. I dig that. Otherwise, you don't really have to use this. If you have like on another hard drive or something, you can do that also, pointing there. But just pointing that out. And the way to use this is go to your console here. Okay, so let's say I have Super Nintendo, and click all first. Well, first of all, you'll see blank, but the way you have to do this is right click on it and edit. Alright, and here in the directories, now if you have a different ROM directory, then just change this. Alright, and everything will be fine. But after that, this is really important. You have to right click on it and hit refresh, and that will generate a list. Otherwise, you see blank when you import your folder. You have to hit refresh. So that's how you do that. But that's all you gotta do. Now, as far as the emulator is at the bottom here. See, they have different ones. Now it's displayed it, but you have to actually install it yourself first. Okay, and then after you install it, you have to point it to where it is at. So I showed you last time I installed it, SNEX 9X, the GTK version. Alright, but if I click on this and right click on it and edit, you actually have to go and point the binary. Okay, and this is kind of like the executable thing. Now if you don't know where it is at, the easiest way to do this is let me show you. So just type in where it is, and then the program that you're looking for. So ours was SNES 9X GTK, and they'll tell you that it exists in USR games, and then that's the file that we're using. Alright, so that's how you'll find it if you don't know where it is. And all you gotta do is hit the browse here, and you go to USR games, and then you find the file. Pretty simple, right? That's it. And then just hit OK, and now you have your emulator set up. The way to start the game is basically look for the game, and then you have to highlight the emulator that you want to use, because you have different emulators here. You have to highlight the one that you want to use, and all you gotta do is just double click on it, and it will start up, see, just like that. But let me close it off. There's some things that I don't like about this right now, because maybe it's not implemented yet. But the first thing is the search, or maybe the filter option here, is that it doesn't work. Look at this. If I put let me see, act, or I put anything, it will just show blank. It will show nothing. See, that's one thing that I really do need right now. Okay, that's the search feature. The second thing is, look at, if you right click on one of these, you have like option of ranking it. But who the hell want to do that? Right click on it and then rank it. See, now you have 5-star right over here. But that's a waste of time doing that. I wish you just click on it and hit 5-star or 2 stars or whatever, and be done with it. Same thing for the favorites and all that. If you hit favorites, then you see the heart right here. But why don't you just let me click on it and show me the heart? But it doesn't do that. But your favorites will be here. Okay, let me see here, and these are the ones that you played it. But look at that. So I'm not really digging that. And as far as the snapshots here, not really sure what does that do, but the titles and all that. I wish they pull it from, I don't know. I don't know if there's an IMDb for ROMs or emulators, but if there is, they should implement it there. Okay, and I don't want to waste time doing all these years and all that. Just pull the name for me. If there's such thing as the IMDb for games, then implement that thing in there. Other than that, I'm very impressed with this. I wish they updated. They haven't updated in a while, and that's it. So if you're a fan of emulators, ROMs, and retro stuff, I really recommend using this to organize all your emulators. I'm actually wanting to download more emulators just because I saw this program. So I'm really excited to get my ROM collections up again. So that's it for this one.